I'm Savannah, Director of Marketing here at Slingshot, and today I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at how we use AI to create blogs that are faster to produce and sharper in impact. Our audience is busy, CEOs and CIOs who are looking for clear and actionable insights. They want to know what's happening in tech, what is working, and where the risks are. So that's where our blogs come in. They can turn what we're seeing on the ground into content that leaders can actually use. But before we had AI in our process, it was extremely slow. We were publishing one blog a month when we had time. What we have now is a workflow that blends AI with our human insight to get to a better product. We start by choosing blog titles based on the service offering and target audience we're looking to target. And then we schedule a short meeting with one of our internal experts, maybe a product owner, developer, another executive, who have firsthand experience on the topic. The idea is that we come in ahead of time with some questions to help guide the conversation and hopefully get some conversation going. That conversation then gets transcribed and fed into a custom GPT that we've built. It then generates a strong first draft. It's not final, but it's extremely close. From there, our team then edits for clarity and flow using AI tools like Grammarly to help polish up the grammar. And then our experts review to make sure their voice is accurate. It's collaborative, much faster, and a huge upgrade from where we started. Now we're publishing a new blog every single week instead of just once a month. But AI isn't replacing our people, it's accelerating the way we work. And that means more relevant content delivered faster to the people who need it most.